All right, I want to take a quick moment to talk about a resource for promoting your events called Presence, and most of our student organizations and leaders know about this, but in case you're new or you're another partner around campus, sometimes you look at this calendar on the front page of una.edu and you think, okay, where did these things come from? Well, if you want to use Presence, it is a direct feed. So you can get to this if you go to una.edu/students. So from the home page, you can click directly to Office of Student Engagement, see events calendar, and Presence will get you to the main page. And so here you can see the different organizations, and if you go up to the events tab, you can see events that are coming up. This is also what corresponds with the app. And so I think most folks know that the app exists. If you need help downloading the app, you can go back to our page, una.edu/students, and simply go to UNA Student Engagement app under the Student Activities tab, and there's instructions for how you can download the app, depending on what resource that you use, whether it's Apple or Google. So when you get to Presence, you can see all the events, and for those that are admins, you're able to log in to the form. You'll have an extra tab to log in. If you don't have the login option, that means you're not set up as an admin, and so that's important to know. If you're not seeing it, it's because you're going to need to get set up. So when you get in, you can easily create an event, and so this is the dashboard event form. User, let's see, so most admins will have access to creating an event. When you do, it'll come up a pretty easy screen to simply go through and type in the event name. So maybe it's something like main month planning, and you can choose whatever orgs you're a part of. You'll be able to select that as the host. So this is student engagement, and so you can also provide a co-host. And whenever you put in the information, you can use this blank. This is what will come up. So this is a great place to put any kind of link that you want to do. So if you're going to do a virtual meeting, or you're going to do a virtual event, simply say join us at, let's say you're hosting it on Facebook, join us on Facebook Live, and whatever the direct link to your page is, you can hit link, paste it, and then you're good to go. You'll need to set up the time, start and end, and the location, and then that's what will, once you do this, those are the things that will then go to the calendar. So this is the Presence page, but then also it takes it's not immediate. Sometimes it takes a day or two, but then that's also what we'll pick up on the University of North Alabama homepage. There is an approval process, so know that everything doesn't necessarily just automatically go through. Sometimes you just want to be able to promote an event within your organization, and so if you would do that, you can click hidden from non-members, and so it won't go to the feed, and then you'll be able to take attendance and things like that. And that's really the great thing, is then on the other side of things, you can go in and look at events that you've hosted. You can go in and analytics and be able to see if you check people in either using digital ID or their UNA email. You can go through and be able to see the aggregate data of how many students attended and different information about the aggregate of folks that checked in to your event. So pretty neat things. If you have questions, always you can go to una.edu/students. And we also have an opportunity for you to schedule a meeting, and our student leadership consultants are excellent resources to be able to guide you through the setting up events and getting the appropriate people as admins on Presence. So You can make appointments, request presentations, etc. So hopefully that's helped to go through and answer questions about presence. Also, don't forget you can reach us at studentengagement@una.edu, and you can call us at 256-765-4248. Thanks for listening.